What up? So on my channel, you guys may have seen that I've customized Air Force and Vans, but I haven't really customized any other shoes. So for you guys, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, make it spicy. I'm gonna be customizing an all-white pair of Air Max 90s, just a simple, you know, all-white, using my paints right here that you guys can also get if you click the top link at my description. So yeah, thanks to Alxr for the paint. Also, I just got my 100k subscriber plaque from YouTube, and because of you guys, so thank you for everybody for supporting and subscribing, because like we just got 100k. So yeah, thank you, because I got my 100k YouTube plaque. Yeah, so yeah, go ahead, sit back, relax and watch me customize my Air Max. So this is what they look like, completely finished and custom cartoonified Air Max 90s. I tried to make them as like as fun looking, just like as like colourful as possible. So you can see like you've got yellow at the front, blue going all the way around, and then you got like this bit of pink, and then pink on the inside as well. They're super bright, and yeah, I think they turned out pretty cool. But as always, make sure to let me know what you think of them down below in the comment section. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Make sure to let me know down below. Once again, thank you to Alxr for sending me the paints to try out for this custom. It worked really, really well. Like, look how smooth the paint has come out. Like, if you look at the front part, like it's super shiny, like it's super smooth. Like the paint worked really well. Like you can just see, like I think they turned out really, really good. If you guys want to try out this custom for yourself, the colours I used were yellow pale, pink, and I mixed blue and white together for the blue colour. Also, if you do try out this custom for yourself, make sure to tag me on Instagram, because I do like see the ones that you guys do. I've seen like a bunch of people do the Vans that I did a while back, and like that's like really cool to see. Like, so if you do this custom, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can repost it. Also, Alxr did give me a discount code that you guys can use. So if you use the code SAMALXR1, I'll probably like put it on the screen or something. If you use the code SAMALXR1, you'll get 10% off your order. So yeah, thank you to Alxr for sending me the paints, and thank you to you guys for watching this video. Today's comment shout out goes to Roddy. I appreciate you watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe down below for more videos from me, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.